Important principles of visual design that every UI designer should know. Let's look into what designs do. Designs create impact using visuals, placed in the order of their importance. A good design is something that has a balance of all the elements occurring in a sequence in an expected manner in front of the user, so as to give a sense of familiarity. Why visual design principles are important. A span to capture user attention on a particular element or piece of information is only 4 to 8 seconds, called a human attention span. Because of this, having too much information placed on the screen might miss capturing user attention. As a result, users should scroll, skip, or jump off to something else. For a designer to know how to place elements in a proper hierarchy and what to do to achieve that hierarchy, let's look into these principles one by one. Now, before we jump into it, please don't forget to like this video, which will help us get better videos for you. Visual design principles. So let's dive into the visual hierarchy principle and understand each of these visual design principles in detail. Size and scale. Use size and scale to balance elements based on importance. Larger, bolder text conveys importance, while smaller text is less emphasized. Maintain a consistent size system, example H1 to H6. Color contrast. Use complementary colors to make elements stand out and grab attention. Warm colors stand out against dark backgrounds, while cool colors stand out against light backgrounds. Emphasis. Emphasize specific elements, slogans, text, images, to deliver a clear message. Achieve emphasis through scale, positioning, highlighting, font weights, underlining, capitalization, lines, and arrows. Balance typography. Balance textual content using font weight, size, bolding, underlining, and color. Proper text hierarchy improves readability and reduces clutter. Use different heading sizes, paragraph styles, quotes, and captions, and consider font combinations. Repetition. Repeat elements, colors, patterns, typefaces, images, textures, to create consistency and ease of use. Consistent logos, icons, CTAs, and colors create brand identity. Repetition strengthens user memory and muscle memory. Negative spacing. Use white space to allow elements to breathe. Effective white space prevents clutter and makes focal points clearer. Proximity. Group related elements together with adequate spacing to help users visually combine or separate them. Elements in close proximity are assumed to have similar functionality. These principles are essential for UI designers to create effective and engaging user interfaces. If you have made it this far, please consider subscribing to the channel, as we are just building this. Soon, this will enable us to bring better content for our subscribers.